Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wanted a delicious curry chicken and potato roti but didn't have the time or energy to make the dough from scratch? Well, this recipe is for you. Today I'm making an authentic Caribbean curry chicken and potato filling, but instead of traditional roti skin, I'm using a tortilla wrap as a quick shortcut. You still get all the comforting flavors, spices, that you love while saving time in the kitchen. Let's get cooking. So the first thing I'm doing is peeling and cutting up some potatoes. Once I'm finished with that, I'm gonna cut up some onion, garlic, and oregano. So next we're gonna brown the curry. I'm gonna add in about a teaspoon of coconut oil and as many curry as my heart contains. Now the reason I'm doing it this method is because if you have leftover, it would not spoil. If you brown the curry, you can have leftover for the next day than if you just put curry in some water. So we're gonna let this get a bit darker. You guys will see how it changed right in front of your eyes. And now we're adding in the chicken. We're not gonna add any water as yet. We're gonna go ahead and add in our onion, our garlic, and our oregano and let that sit and check on it every 5 minutes. We want the chicken to have the curry color before we add in any water or broth. So 5 minutes later, I'm just turning the chicken so that the other side will also get that color as well. Then we're gonna cover it again for another 5 minutes, and this is how it's looking after 5 minutes. The onion, garlic, and oregano are already cooked. The chicken has so much color. So now we're gonna add in some water, add in our clove, our more curry, clove, our flavor pepper. We're gonna add in some paprika, some black pepper, and some cayenne pepper. Yes, all that spice. And we're not adding in the potatoes now. We're going to allow the chicken to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes before we add the chicken in. The potatoes in, sorry. So now we're adding in the potatoes, and we're going to taste it because there's not much to do with this dish. It's such an easy dish. So we're going to taste it, and it needed a bit more salt. I'm just going to add a little bit more salt into it. And that's basically it. We're gonna put the lid back on, let the potato cook for about 15 minutes until the water has reduced to a sauce. And that's basically it. It's such a simple but delicious, flavorful meal. The potatoes are cooked, but we're gonna let the water continue to reduce. In the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and heat up our tortilla wraps. This is a brand of tortilla wraps that I'll be using. I'm gonna add a drizzle of coconut oil onto the pan, and this is just because I like an oily roti, so I just want to kind of replicate that as much as possible. And I'm just gonna heat up these tortilla wraps. Nothing too special about it. So the sauce has taken, and it's time for us to wrap it up. Now, when I make roti skin, I honestly don't ever wrap it up. I basically put the potatoes and the chicken on the plate, so it's like folded roti skin, and I eat it like that. Just that's how I like it. So for this, I had to stick to my authentic self, and I did half of a tortilla with some potatoes at the side, and I did what I normally do when I make roti, and it was delicious. Honestly, the spice level of this, it was so good. Of course, I have to give you guys a taste test. This is the first one down. I'm gonna show you guys me making mine as well. And this is the part where I'm talking about putting it by the side. And this was so delicious, and as you guys can see, there's not much steps. It's like a one pot meal. There's not much steps to it. It's very flavorful, very spicy, and please try it and let me know if you prefer the tortilla wrap version or the roti skin version. As a true Caribbean girlie, the roti skin will always win. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.